1 Orlando Pirates, 1 TS Galaxy. Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje ukhuluma ama-positives nama-negatives ale game le. Yabo. Bekuyigame ebaluleke kakhulu ke le for i-TS Galaxy because i-TS Galaxy they are fighting to stay kwi-top 8. Yabo ama-team amaningi ayalwa lapha afuna ukungena ku-top 8. Ama-team anjengo-Kaizer Chiefs, ama-team anjengo-Polokwane City bayalwela ukuthi bangaphumi ku-top 8 because they want to play MTN 8. Siyazi ukuthi MTN 8 ibaluleke kanjani right now. They are fighting to get that 10 million chance of winning that 10 million. Yabo MTN 8. Siyibonile bafethu igame namhlanje. Siyibonile igame namhlanje bekuyigame yokuqala esiyidlalile since uJose ehambile. We gave uMandla Ncikazi ithuba lokuthi le game le akwazi ukuyiphatha. Yabo ukwazile ukuyiphatha uMandla Ncikazi igame siyibonile starting lineup sakhe. To be honest, starting lineup sakhe uMandla Ncikazi was questionable. Yabo starting lineup sakhe le game le fana ukuthi Orlando Pirates isiyayidlala because ama games asesele. Yabo mele siwadlala ama games asesele, but to be honest, looking at our starting lineup, I was very disappointed to see abadlali abanje ngoShanda. I know Shanda haven't played much of my games since alimala, but come on, why are you playing Shando? Why are you playing Shando? I know the guy scored, but come on, let's be real bafethu. Asibe nje neqiniso. Yabo. Yes, kumele siwawina ama games are remain lawa asalele. Yabo the remaining games we must win our remaining games, but why are you playing Shando? There are many players you should be playing. You should be playing Undlozi. Yabo I'm not trying to make my decisions for coach. Yabo, the coach knows the best, but come on. I'm not trying to bring down the player. Yabo, I'm not trying to bring him down. Some of his decisions, ama decisions akhe uShando, they may be questionable. Ama decisions akhe nje angixa kakhulu, yabo. But ke abafana, I hope next game bazokwazi ukuyithatha serious igame elandelayo sikwazi ukuyiwina. Yabo, coming to igame le sikwazile bafethu ukuyidlala. Sikwazile ukuyidlala. To be honest, for me le game le ibingibhorela. Yabo ibebhora le game le ibingabukeki kahle. Sibe nawo amathuba but asikwazanga kwa convert amathuba ethu. Same thing esijwayele ukuyibona ke leyo. Yabo izinto esijwayele ukuyibona. I don't think Orlando Pirates ukuyidlala kwayo le game le ikwazile ukulungisa amaphutha abajwayele ukwaface vele. Yabo amaphutha esijwayele ukwaface vele ze Orlando Pirates asikwazi ukulungisa phambili. Yabo phambili sinenkinga nje phambili. Sinenkinga phambili, asikwazi ukusebenzisa amathuba esiwathola. Mesiwathola amathuba siyashweba. Mesiwathola amathuba siyashweba. I don't know. Yabo kuningi kumele sikulungise. Same as i-defense yethu. Defense yethu inenkinga. But ke namhlanje ucoach ungiqalele ngenye indlela. Eswini bekhona uDlamini, kube khona uTito Maswangayi, mase kuba khona uSelepe. Eswini bekhona uTito Maswangayi, kube khona uDlamini, mase kuba khona uSelepe. The reason why uSelepe told man of the match today, it's because the boy was working overtime. The boy was working overtime today. I'm really impressed ukuthi umfana ukwazile ukuyibamba iqine lapha eswini. Ngabe siluze ngamagoli amaningi ukuba umfana akayibambanga saqina. Namhlanje umfana unikeze i-opportunity wayibamba izandla zo2. Kuyangijabulisa ukumbona umfana omncane uthole man of the match. Yabo. Siloku siwathola nje man of the match. You see these DDC graduates aloko wathola ama man of the match. Abo Tito Maswangayi, abo Dlamini kule game namhlanje bebelokhu bedlala belahla amabhola ekwalahleni kwabo amabhola eswini. Bebeyekela lo mfana lo. Lo mfana lo bekumele asebenze overtime ekwazi ukurecover amabhola, ekwazi ukubamba amabhola aqalaza apass. Yabo, so ezinye zezinto ebekumele ilungiswe la. Yabo abo Raseboja, I don't know why abo Raseboja bangayithola game time. Because izona ikhathi lezo ukuthi sifaka abo Raseboja. Eswini besingekho like compact. Eswini besixeka, yabo. Besingekho stable. Besingekho stable eswini. Siyibonile bafethu iTS Galaxy biyidalela. iTS Galaxy bebethola ibhola eliningi iTS Galaxy. Mawase ubheke nje kwi-possession, I'm sure iTS Galaxy ayikho that far from i-possession ebesinayo thina. Because bebelithola ibhola eswini besinge like nje bekhona into yakhona la benge-understand. Baningi abadlali angabathola i-game time right now. There are many players who should be getting game time. Isiyaphela season. Ayisekho into asayidlalela. Yes, I know kumele siwawina ama games asalele, kumele siqede i-league sina 60 points. But looking at what we played today, I don't think we should give uMandla Ncikazi ithuba lokuthi abe coach. I don't wanna lie. I don't think we should give uMandla Ncikazi ithuba lokuthi abe ucoach because I feel like today uyikhombisile impela ukuthi akusiyena ucoach esingamethemba. Ibhola ade sidlala namhlanje uliqhathanise nebhola ade sidlala maybe neGolden Arrows. Yabo ngemidweek. You will see ukuthi ibhola ehlukile. Akusilona leli ibhola esijwayele. Yabo ayikho into etheni eshintshile. Kuhambe uJose Rivero kuhamba nale assistant yakhe le ade isuka le eSpain. Most of the technical team bikhona, but they fail to play ibhola ebesijwayele ukulibuka. So I don't think uMandla Ncikazi is the good guy to take over Orlando Pirates. Yabo, even if they consider him as the guy ozokwazi ukumshintsha uJose, but for me I don't think he is ready for the job. I don't think the guy is ready for the job. I don't wanna lie, I'm disappointed with the results namhlanje, but I wasn't expecting ama-results vele azo noma kube siwinile vele yabo bengengijabule cause vele ayikho into esayidlalela, but a win is a win, but ke i-draw it doesn't sit well with me. I don't wanna lie, i-draw it doesn't sit well with me, yeah, because so ifinish kanja isizini kumele siyifinishe on a high just to give ourselves ithemba lokuthi okay isizini siyiqede kahle, asithembe ukuthi next season soqala la sigcine khona. Yabo indlela esiyoyiqala ngakhona isizini sawo soyiqala la sigcine khona. Because indlela esiyiqede ngakhona isizini, indlela esiyoyiqeda I know it's not the last game. Ngoba sifana nje amanye ama team game yethu yokugcina soyidlala against iMagisi. Game elandelayo soyidlala iSuperSport, mase ukuthi elandelayo after iSuperSport kuba AmaZulu, mase kulandela le AmaZulu kuba iMagisi. Yabo so besidlala home. Next game sobe siyidlala away, mase ukuthi igame elandelayo futhi sobidlala iMos Mabhida. So lawo ma games la kumele siwawin. 3 of those games kumele siwawin. Senze nje showcase. Because mase siwaluza lawo ma games, I'm telling you, we are going back to iOrlando Pirates le edlalela number 3 noma iOrlando Pirates edlalela ukuthi ihlale top 8. Because indlela ebedlela ngakhona namhlanje bengaselona ibhola eligculisayo. Ngawothi sishintshisanile, ngathi ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ithathe indebe yethu, thina sathatha isichitho sayo. Yabo nginaleyo nto nje mina. Ngathi iKaizer Chiefs imfethu isinikeze isichitho sayo sedrought. Ngithandazela nje ukuthi ingabe njalo. I feel like vele sathatha isichitho sedrought. Kunento engijela lokho. Angazi ngempela bafethu, but ke ningangitshela ama comments about le game le uthi idlale kanjani. But for me I'm not happy with the game. Yabo, I'm not happy. But yeah, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngegoli esiliconsidile. We considered the goal. Igoli esiliconsidile, siliconsider isizophela igame. Sizophela igame, same thing esijwayele ukuyibona, same mistake esijwayele ukuyibona. uMbokazi, I feel like the boy kumele akwazi ukuyipositiona. uMbokazi kumele abe aware. As a center back you should be aware. You should be aware ukuthi kwenzakalani. Cross. Kushawe cross. Hlezi ngikhuluma ama cross, angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu. I feel like the boy next season kumele simdlale as a central defensive midfielder. Yabo adlale lapha as number 6, deep 6, because he cannot play as a center back uma engekho aware kanje. Yabo, I'm not blaming the boy. All I'm saying is that he must be aware next time. Mesibadlana ama team kanje akwaziyo ukuyipha ibhola into the box. Ama team akwaziyo ukuthi okay ama opponents adlala nawo akwazi ukudefend ama aerial balls. Because they know because we can't defend our aerial balls. As a defender, you must be aware ukuthi iziphi izinto engibheda kuzona. But one Orlando Pirates, one TS Galaxy. Ungangitshela ngowena ngokwakho ngale game le kuma comments ungitshela ukuthi ikuphi okubonile okuthandile, ikuphi ongakuthandanga. Ngikuthandile ukuthi lo mfana lomncane uselapha udlale kahle umfana mfethu. I'm really happy to see him getting the man of the match. Yabo bonga ngitshela wena ngiyakhe man of the match ubongamnika. I'm really happy ukuthi abafana abaluzanga. At least we didn't lose, but the game was boring. Yabo ngangitshela wena ama positives nama negatives akho kuma comments. Uvanele bafethu ungakhohlwa usubscribe. Ngiyabonga uthande ninginika lona bafethu. Anginikhohliwe njalo, ngiyabona siyakhula la ka YouTube.